Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today is the new update. Let's read what the sign says. The weather is usually cool at this time of year, but forest is heating up. An active volcano has emerged. We can hardly hear the lava bubbling over the eruptions of laughter. Check out the shop to grab fun gear to handle the heat and stylish cosmetics that will have you looking hotter than ever. Oh, and it says exclusive hashtag WeAreVR cosmetics will be in the city for 24 hours starting on September 23rd at 1 p.m. Help us make history. Yeah, let's go. Bro, there's literally a volcano. Volcano. Look at this. There's a literal volcano. Bro, I'm gonna go to the city and check back on that. I heard that it'll erupt and the whole map will get filled with lava. I don't know if that's true, but we'll be able to find out. Forest lava. Alright, let's see. We got a lava shirt. I have to save up for this. Dude, you already know. Look at this, bro. Oh, there's literally like a welder. Look at these hat and umbrella. Gee, yo. Look at this lava cup. There's a parrot and a lava hat, bro. I mean volcano. I don't know if you can hold this. Alright, we'll find out. Here's the cosmetics. Let's look at them. So this is like the burnt shirt. This is like the volcano shirt. This is like what a welder or something would wear. And we got the gloves for this outfit. And the mask. So this is like a combo. We got the mad scientist goggles, bro. We have the lava flame hat, bro. Wow, it looks so good. Blazing. And we got an umbrella. Actually, I'm cooking on this. What even is it? I have no idea. Just an umbrella that's like fiery. And this is a free badge, actually. So you get it for free. Good job. Got the lava heart ring. The like steampunk fingers or whatever. I don't know. And one of the things that you like wave yourself when you're hot or something. I don't even know what they're called. Let's get the other ones. Okay. This is like the new lava cup. It actually pours lava. This is like a shell. Lava shell. That's weird. Got a pepper, yo. Can you eat it? No. Parrot? That's weird. Ha ha ha. I'm gonna hit you with my hammer. Okay. Let me try this on like a solid wall, because it just goes through that effect. I don't know. Alright, let's go in a public lobby and see what it's like. I just joined a pub, and this is what it looks like. Bro.
So let's just tag everyone and then...
I think that we add the shaders.
It looks so cool, and like the graphics are good, right? Dude, why does it look so good?
All the lava look like 900.
Get your marshmallow.
And what happens if you touch the lava?
Oh yeah!
It won't.
I didn't think of that.
It won't.
Hold on, let me have marshmallow.
Let's see what happens.
The lava made the game worse.
You can hear it.
I mean, it's the lava. When people play,
I can just stick in it. Bro, it's like the same thing as water. Just water. It even makes a water. When I say that, it made it easy to make. 'cause I bet it takes.
Oh, okay.
Let's chill.
Why are you tree camping?
Alright,
Well, I
Alright,
think it should be
let's see
legal.
this.
He's in lava and he's not dead.
Oh no, it's
He has
burning
a
now.
shirt that's covered.
Guys, save Doug the Bug. Catch. He can die. Save Doug the Bug.
Alright, bye guys. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. This is a very cool update. I absolutely love it. Comment if you agree.